I wrote a master prompt so incredibly complex, it should have completely broken the AI. We're talking 15 solid seconds of continuous camera movement, highly specific character mutations, and completely native sound design. Normally, an AI model would turn this into a morphing, melting mess by second 5. But a new mystery model from Alibaba called HappyHorse 1.0 just ate that prompt and spit out cinematic gold. Here's the result. Today on Uprising AI, we are jumping into
JXP.com to push this 15 billion parameter beast to its absolute breaking point across text, image, and reference modes. Let's see if it survives the stress test.
To really test the consistency and cinematic weight of HappyHorse, I've constructed a massive, highly specific 15-second prompt.
We are asking for a lot here. A 15-second continuous shot, a complex physical transformation, specific camera movements, and pure environmental audio design. Pause the screen for the prompt. First up, pure text to video. We are giving the model zero visual help. We set the duration to the max 15 seconds to match our shot breakdown, which costs 45 credits. Let's see how it interprets this raw data.
Berapa?
Look at how it handles that opening 0 to 1 second mark, the distorted underwater upward view transitioning perfectly into that first-person camera burst through the water's surface. But what absolutely blows my mind is the audio sync. Because HappyHorse generates audio natively alongside the video, that whispered baruba triggers the exact moment the electromagnetic pulse erupts. The low-frequency shock waves, the crackling of the purple energy particles, and the brutal impacts during the alien fight sync up flawlessly with the visual metamorphosis. There is zero audio drifting here. Now let's step it up. My prompt specifically demands a strict 1-to-1 replication of our uploaded reference image for the character's face. Explicitly told the model that the facial features and overall face shape must match exactly, with absolutely zero AI beautification while putting them in a worn, weathered jacket.
This is where JXP's reference-driven mode shines. We upload our character and creature references, feed it the exact same master prompt, and tell it to map those specific visual assets onto the action.
Berufkan!
Notice the facial structure, the transition from that quiet downward stare to the exact moment they whisper baruba is incredibly precise. The model didn't just paste a static face onto a CGI body, it animated our reference image through a violent metamorphosis, with the eyes suddenly glowing white, purple, and skin cracking to reveal mechanical systems beneath, without ever losing that underlying bone structure.
For image to video, we are going to start in media res. I'm taking a generated still frame from the 10-second arc, right as the armor pieces are slamming into place and the protagonist is grappling with that alien insect. I want to see if HappyHorse can take this static, complex biomechanical shot and execute the final instructions, the brutal finish of the enemy, and that haunting, heavy-breathing pull-away to reveal the bleak lake environment.
Nailed the physics. The model understood exactly how the heavy armor and the transition into that final, desolate, wide shot felt completely seamless. And the glowing compound eyes should settle as the character catches their breath. Running a prompt this dense is a surefire way to break most AI models. Usually, the camera instructions get ignored, but HappyHorse 1.0 on JXP handled the cinematic weight, the complex transformation, and the native audio incredibly well. If you want to test your own stress test prompts, check out the link in the description for jxp.com. Hit subscribe for more bleeding-edge AI tests here on Uprising AI, and I'll catch you in the next one.